touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, start format it.
Abuja, we are back, and it's a simple, right? The stories be bro, they bro who update and a few more. Abba, yes, you can't watch them. Yes, I see it. Abuja, China, the story be bro about Pokuase, a shower 33 be a police for Aquachom. What Pokuase, Accra. A police for Aqua arrested prostitutes. 33. Police for the enemy. Mupasa much. Wo Yesu Kristo mreso time okoko gu se Mary Magdalene abusia ne be dia ne Mary Magdalene abusia onu no ye prostitute Yesu ye de den Yesu ye de den ayesesa example no na ese mofa because this is maloko am prison amanfo binom you leave them no choice than to masturbate and no susu a enye otiase ntina ka hye wovuo e na ka services ankofo binom otiase tesa Capital say your number 1. What will you patch? Yeah. Well, Abusian, I saw one at the press conference here, but said there is no way some better now. I'm a sad in a coso. A police if we call Moko Petonga to Abusian or Mark almost was easy. Why do you laugh? If you had the man in the team and I have breath for the moment, I can't want to say, Mamu read D. The press release, I shall for president. What should I do?
To those who patronize your profession. So, some opposed for them for 4 years. Who are need
now
it is aggrandism.
Aggrandism.
It is hence we have come. We have come to comprehend that the police did not accord us with any preferential and segregated treatment. Therefore, does not need any reciprocal engagement from us. We are undertaking this position to starve police officers.
Starve?
Yeah.
Starve.
Come the one rough. That's what police officers who are always in bed with us to learn their lessons, not to raid us in a Rambo style again. We are using this medium to also advise other prostitute groups to desist from offering their tokro.
I said tokro about you say.
Thank you.
Let another screen.
To any police officer, thank you.
Paragraph. What's a paragraph? First paragraph now. Second paragraph.
Baby jet in Yana.
I see a friend, Fresh girl baby jet. President, Pokwasi Union of Prostitutes.
So Abusia, Angel for you know some money. Abusia they will say number can in the way. Ube feel vibely ankasa. But yeah, Fresh girl baby jet, President, Pokwasi Union of Prostitutes. I will let the press release your dear badano. Yeah, I shall for any abri. No tongue for you policemen. Yeah, Ubefa you no girlfriend, sir. No, I shall for you. Now we are moving on. Say what shall come for the na nearby could be as near bar video be on the so coso. Man, be our share me names a lady near shower. I don't think so, ya shower, but Nina go see and say, Wakwa again. And no person bet you again. So then the cat that now, and no person bet you, I don't know, unless I want your video now judge for yourself. Now we say end of the video. What now? Oh, bizarre. Since I didn't know me say what. That gives the idea, the impression that Chama ya won't but Chairman peso betia. Chairman so ye pepe o check capito kura. Unim se obekwa hyewo. Ana unim se kwa kofa ba na se skasem da so a. Uwi atuaneka. What you say? Many mama go for old audio be ama because
the court is so kakaka oh. Sabe bomb kwasi a dog give it pa. And I'm asking to the famous dark cry or the coy.
what him go konya ba na wa fa no na uwie na de ne kana bezo betia. What do you talk about so bezo betia? Say ya mumu o mani mase. Ya, mu be ma adwini ye. Mu ne police for ni na kwa kwada one scale. What do you mean? Akwa we pa. Opambo. Abuzia na da video bi zo circulate. Chama e bi nso no ho akere na abuzia. Nsu a ahiri wo ba bi amanfo ni twam with care no. Chama de antimoto so say aha, me de bi si fam. Metwi mi moto na fa nsuo num. Ena abuzia nsuo de pa moto no. Ena ne di moto ne ko. Ena chama e say mi moto de be ko mizume di akire. Re video ne. Yeah, today na guy we dwen. Say nzu afa wo moto de ko anase wo betimi atwi moto de afa nzu onum sa. Ewi ase so pa. Say moto de ko no before obedi ade we achi abakwachi moto no. Bompaye. Jimmy kwa. Now Buzian record 2 stories be one sem. Shatawale versus the road contractors. And na Chimota Rastafarian case and all that. Near one update be the man. Yes, started with can say Rastafari for the Abuzia right after say ka was a man am koko hu is okay. Achimota was yes, you better appeal court to decision because it is unjust to us. Now to your press release, the baby interesting bit in audio tea and fifteen over baby say the court ruled that the religious rights of the 2 applicants had been violated by the school management as they sought to enforce the time-tested and well-known rules of the school. The court further directed the school to admit the 2 applicants. Yeah, jamuso amonamonti ase some rules o hwa amanfo no ba no mu de adu amuso ye rasta nko ade o ma school ha o ti ase izo twa wi ni gu no court ne patre ze rules ni nyina ya cake abusu anye rules papa nti no omo admit omo what a achimota suro ni say if say ade we stand na sa achimota nkora ni ti nko school na it becomes kind of a yibia say obi o ye rasta bia puso kwa achimota you can't deny them because there is a president stating say okay nkurabienu which is ohene bane magai omunu siu mu say mu rules na mo no infringe omo human rights so yeah that is what Achimota school na gasesuro and furthermore omo to aso say the school board disagrees with the ruling of the court yeah school for the court for decision abusia omo nyintu omo disagree completely and totally ndino masia small omo lawyers cross okay omo san court nkokwa apili na ne am ye kan wasem the minister of education man ya wose ye mfa ni picture nkobobo headmasters for office Mr. kan say doctor ya wose ya dutwun abusia osi Achimota for the omo mi o ma no kra ntere ba bia nsa o ti ase because mumu rules no court see rules no ya cake e rules bi e sheda when it comes to human rights and the infringement of normal omunyanto boase na if so omo no bibi kakora na dey Achimota no fall under Ghana Education Service. And then the Ghana Education Service also falls under Attorney General. This will be become as Attorney General and my directive as to okay. Ghana Education Service no mubetimi akwa take this appeal action and not Achimota. So Achimota is just being pompous. What I say, you've been beat by these 2 kids. Yeah, accept your defeat, admit them, and let's move on with our lives. Abusia, easy as that. You're going now see him the other day shatter update so now right shatter we didn't know actually what happened the man on the course and all that later the news shatter about apologizing now the apology it wasn't just from his own heart to be apologizing yeah well apologize all right but a man 24 hours ultimatum so he does apologize publicly and that's that is the reason why Shatawale be apologizing.
Hi, my name is Shatawale, as you all know, and I believe that some news circulating around me and having fights with some contractors and like I've said, the man in question is my dad, is my friend. Like this is somebody that I always wanted to meet, but it's so unfortunate, things had to happen this way. But I also want to say sorry to Kennedy, for everything that happened. I believe he also find a place in his heart to forgive me, because it's Ghana and we are one people. That's how we need to live. And anything that has happened, I believe God takes care of the rest of it. So all the bloggers too that are saying I'm giving some contractor 4 million Ghana cedi, I believe you guys should really stop circulating, false news. And it's I'm not giving nobody 4 million Ghana cedi or $4 million. I just want us to live in peace and live in harmony. And I thank everybody, and anybody that I've hurt, I just want to say I'm sorry, and that's it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so that was that. Earlier before Nasha Tebraki too much until say a man is at 24 hours ultimatum. No. Now according to Ghana Web article statement Nasha Teki can be in section B almost say. As some Shata Kaya may up to now say. Was my boys went there and told everybody to stop work. Omono yeah, Juma, you go there because you're Shatawale and tell them to stop work. If some of them were being stubborn and they were pushed, I didn't ask anyone to beat anybody. You told them to go there and let them stop the work. Because they are doing their work here. You're close to the road and say no one should enter because these guys are working. I didn't tell anybody to do anything. And say, I said they should go and stop the work, so I meet the contractor. Who's that? One committee contractor in so much money. Look at this. Ghana Benny. Eh? Get crying ya Mobeka. Yeah, crying as one free baby. Just a one way shut a one in dinner. So quiet on Mutim Jayajumani and now no room now. Man. Oh, we are not to us. I am a taxpayer, so I have every right to talk my mind if I see a problem. Yeah. See. I said, my granny, I know so you are Shatawale, you are a celebrity, you are a star, you are everything good. That is what I say. I did be a good way we are saying. But you don't do that. You don't go to someone's site working for the and tell them to stop because I won't work. Hey, now do you go and because I didn't be happy. Oh, the boss and Abuja guy now soon during Shatta encounter with them. Abuja and a man called 37 military hospital. And I got a report of everything. So okay, I'm gonna assume BBI state all that Abuja. And I feel they buy. So okay, Shatawale is not above the laws of Ghana. Intine say wa ma bonti amamba apologize within the next 24 hours here. Omube siuno. Yeah, that is why Eunia calmly yeah, to me be. Guy on a graphic show based Kasai, who did any statement to make you say Shatawale is not above the law and he cannot just do anything he wants. I am not letting the issue rest until he comes out publicly to apologize to my project manager or be ready to face me in court. When the incident happened, I personally went to his house and asked that he comes to apologize to my project manager, which he did. But that alone is not enough. I want him to do a live video and apologize for his misconduct. Yeah, and the project manager and the manager is this had never so yeah, Shatawale patch all right. Yeah, but because of say Nakuma mu done mistake here or no who's or yeah you enjoy a patch. Yeah. You threatening with law court. You're going. Now we see a final video. Only say GH Poki or a bodemni. On one kasaka, nyamena midina tem. On one say we free comedy says about that. Nra was no or a live video. Been some section of that live video no post on Instagram. Talking about say we are the key heaven okaho. We are China Nidia na ko wo die tie video no e.
Mon fantu mutrim. Nyakopon di asase man na hwi ni so. Wade man na hwi ni so, but the broni ai ne die yi. Obibini asa ne die. Eti heaven bibini nka ho. Broni kwa na be ko heaven, abrofo channel for nka ho because gold na was asase ni mu enu mo man so no, omo for plane abetu. Na nye heaven na gold no e was asase nani. Ombe ko wa ni na koton. Eti Chinese ni nka heaven ho, obibini nka heaven ho. Broni kwa na be ko heaven. because there was same be can say master bi e ma ne nkwala mi rusika ba ho tu fom ne de hye ho na ba ho de nje kwaye adwuma mo man ni tumpon papa ne ba ye no omu se we ne de yie ma ohyira no na de ne de no ode ko hye fom no odome no nyakopon ma asase sakasaka na hwene nsuo pe ne bo so ene asase obroni aye ne de yie ama ne ye fe ne grass nko a obibini asend dem ye ne fe no galamsey nko a obibini we nim say yi unko heaven broni and heaven dey tinu munya heaven ne dwene munya heaven ne dwene na mun sese haye na na mbetena mun kwa na nyina pia o mapon
oh yeah wapo wampa GH Poki abobo na adwe you see as I'm not guy in the video say he's a comedy guy though. That is facts right there what you say facts bibini Mutigana said over nyina musole anamasia kwa so le se pe heaven akọ mo ko ede o heaven ho de na mo de heaven ye wo mu wiase oh Debbie Poki abobo na adwen me link in video or YouTube video description as well please copy her ko subscribe to GH Poki na adwen nye episode was brought to you by Tap Send the mobile app abetimi dey use to dey send this car akwakoma abusuafo e wo Ghana now so wo Canada abusuan wo dey good news kra na aba mam latest no first na we Europe nko an say o mo de Canada ka ho di wo Canada betimi download Tap Send app no na very way use to dey send this car akwakoma afoforo link adu betimi akwakọ download no e wo YouTube video description as well o mo services na very fast o send ya abusuan na nipa nsa aka and additionally na side momo no o ma send the bank transfer aka ho nti no betimi send this car directly to bank account e Ghana. They are trying to work with all the banks e Ghana say in case of any ABA work with different banks bia betimi use now betimi send this car akotum directly. Almost exchange rate was so enabusu almost send this car to tax bia. So that is the best app we betimi use to send this car kwa Ghana and Africa some countries be. That is Tap Send for you. Link in the YouTube video description as well. Click it so now download. Do not start it for you to send this car coffee. Yeah, Magraheb react. You drop a new video.
Each and every morning with the pop tags. Charlie no fugazi at the top class.
Now we just fugazi as yesterday. Fugazi literally prepare. That's a fugazi literally saying. I don't really understand the term fugazi. I'm out for a new terms the same by a reef for because reef was in see what terms it busted my mind the ankasa. Wait me at the time be. But you was 10 way. And you're not my person. We see a nipa mu ansa na we yaba. Unya hwe ya link in the YouTube video description as well. Click it so na ko check here and also out. Till we meet again abusia. Adios.